The ultimate membership for if you want to earn CEUs, you want webinar and support call replays like this webinar that we're doing right now. You can get a replay of it, as well as building and coding Q&As. You can go to the CCO Club and their subject matter experts, those two brilliant people that need to bring up their pictures right now. And they can answer your questions, extended product support also. Oh, wait. It's opposite in here. Go to the cco.us/club. If you need subject matter expert help, I really suggest this is the way to do it. We have, as of today, 3/22/2018, 117 CEUs available in our club, and we've got a bunch more in the wings, being ready to be approved and launched out. So I would say probably in the next month or so, I'm going to go out on a limb, say another 20 to 30 CEUs that we can push out. Again, if you need CEUs, we want you to come to CCO to be able to help you. We want to educate you. We want you to help you pass your exam, and then we want to keep you in CEUs. For the CCO Club, the basic edition, it's like $19.95. How easy is that? You can stop any time that you want, but if you need CEUs quick, come to us. Basic plan is available. It's $19.95.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.